Welcome to maidcv.com. Please introduce yourself.
Uh, Hello, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Eda Amar. I'm 30 years old. I'm a single mother and I have one kid and he is in the Philippines. Mm,
What is your visa situation right now?
uh, Situation now, I tourist visa.
You have tourist visa.
Then, yes, I have tourist visa.
Okay. Do you have experience working as a housemaid?
I have experience as a housemaid. Lately, I'm working as a cleaner here in Dubai. Within since 2010 and 2013, I am a cleaner in a helpers company. And then in the present, I'm working as a housemaid also in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Uh, that is only a 6 months.
Okay. What were your duties and responsibilities in Hong Kong?
My duties and responsibilities in Hong Kong is um, mm, working household chores as a maid.
Okay.
Then doing ironing, wash the clothes,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning. What else?
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, you're going to clean the toilet.
We're going the bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
uh, clean the toilet, the bathtub, the mirror,
Mm-hmm.
the window, the shelves need to clean,
Mm-hmm.
the up, everything. And then what else?
Anything else? Okay. How are you going to clean the kitchen? Kitchen.
About the kitchen, uh, clean all the cupboards, clean all the shelves, clean all the stools,
Mm-hmm.
yes, and then what else? Mm,
Uh,
Cooking.
Anything else? Anything
Cooking.
else?
I know how to cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn if you have a cookbook.
Okay, you can follow instruction in cookbooks. Okay, so
Yes.
what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
Um, I am a kind of housemaid, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking, um,
Hardworking and
faithful to the
honest.
employer.
What else?
Hardworking, yes, yes.
Okay, hardworking and honest. Please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
To my future employer, you can hire me as a maid. I'm willing to do any housework. Um, what
Mm-hmm.
else?
What else do you want to tell them? You can do almost everything. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidtv.com.